This video is going to be how to draw a cupcake using lines and shapes. So get your paper and your pencil, hold your paper horizontal, and follow my lead. First shape that we're going to do, the first line, is going to be at this bottom third of your paper. I'm going to do a smiley face, wide smiley face at the bottom of your paper, just like that. Alright, the next line we're going to do, put your pencil here and make a diagonal line going to the left. Make it wide, and then a diagonal line over here going to the right. And you want to stop the same distance going across like that. Close to it, doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, now we're going to do a wavy line from this point to this point. Go up and down just a little bit, wavy line. Okay, now this side, you're going to make a letter C, small letter C on this side. And over here, you'll make a backwards letter C. Okay, next shape that we're going to do, the next line, right in the middle. Straight line going down and stop. You don't have to go all the way. Then I'm going to do two on this side. They're going to curve. They're going to be diagonal. So one here, one here. Now I'm going to do on the right, on the left side. One here, one here. Okay. Next, we're going to do a wavy line from this point to this point of the letter C's. So dip it up and down. Just do some wavy lines again. And they don't have to be parallel to this one, just wavy line. Okay, now here we're going to do a letter C, backwards letter C. This one's going to be a little bigger than the one that we did down here. Alright, now put your point right here at the top of this C, do a wavy line and stop. Same here, short one, stop. Now we're going to do another C shape, but a little shorter and more in. Same over here. Backwards one, let it go in. So this one's, see how they're stepping a little shorter and shorter. Wavy line, wavy line. Okay, now third one, short one. And this one's going to go a little bit long. I'm going to curve, and then I'm going to connect from here to here. Okay, now the last step, I'm going to sit it on a table. So you do a straight line going here. So follow this line, go to the opposite side, straight line. So now it looks like it's sitting on the table. And the last step is to design your cupcake with whatever toppings that you want. So you can add sprinkles, which are little skinny rectangles. You can add a cherry, which is what I did right here. You just put a circle, and then you do a smiley face inside the circle, and a curved line for the stem of the cherry. And the rest is for you to fill with whatever sprinkles or whatever decorations that you want. Make sure you get your color pencils and your crayons and color them bright colors, whatever flavor you want. There's the cupcake, and then this is the icing. So have fun coloring with your crayons, color pencils, or markers. Hopefully you had fun drawing this cupcake with lines and shapes. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for more videos every week.